Did you know that the gradual decline of muscle mass and strength doesn't begin in old age, but as early as your 30s? Yes, starting around 30, we begin to lose muscle slowly, and after the age of 50, that loss can accelerate, up to 2% of muscle mass per year. This silent transformation is called sarcopenia, and it affects millions, often without them realizing it, until one day, simple tasks become unexpectedly difficult. So in today's video, we're diving deep into a powerful topic that affects every senior: muscle weakness and aging, and what you can do to fight it. Have your legs been feeling heavier than usual? Do you struggle with stairs or feel winded after walking a short distance? If so, you're not alone. But here's the good news: you can reverse much of this. With just a few strategic changes to your diet and daily routine, your strength, mobility, and energy can improve dramatically. So stick with us until the end of the video as we uncover why muscle weakness happens as we age, how it affects your overall health, and the 10 essential foods that can help restore your strength naturally. But before we begin, tap that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make this the most loved video on the channel. And tell us in the comments, what part of the world are you watching from? We'd love to hear your story. What is sarcopenia? The word sarcopenia comes from Greek. Sarx means muscle and penia means loss. It refers to the natural, progressive loss of muscle mass, strength, and function that occurs with aging. And it's not just about being weaker. It can impact your balance, mobility, energy levels, independence, and even increase your risk of falls or fractures. Here's what's happening inside the body. Starting in your 30s, your muscle cells begin to degenerate gradually. By your 60s, this loss becomes more visible. And by 70, it can affect nearly every movement you make. Why does this happen? A few key reasons. Lower protein intake as appetite decreases with age. Decreased hormone levels, like testosterone in men and estrogen in women. Lack of consistent physical activity. And even vitamin deficiencies that slow muscle repair and growth. But the amazing thing is, this process can be slowed or even reversed with the right foods. Let's explore the top 10 essential foods that seniors should be eating to regain strength. Stay tuned till the end, as number 8 will surprise you. 1. Omega-3 rich fish. Salmon, tuna, sardines, mackerel. These fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, powerful nutrients that your body can't make on its own. Why are they so important? They fight inflammation, which helps reduce muscle soreness and damage. They promote protein synthesis, supporting new muscle growth. They protect your heart and improve brain function. They may even slow age-related cognitive decline. If fresh fish isn't available, opt for canned sardines in water or olive oil, never vegetable oil. They're affordable, nutritious, and versatile. Try them in salads, sandwiches, or with cooked veggies. 2. Legumes. Beans, lentils, peas, chickpeas, soybeans. These humble staples are nutritional powerhouses packed with plant-based protein, fiber, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. Legumes help build and maintain muscle mass, especially important for older adults who may be eating less meat or animal protein. They're also heart-healthy, regulate blood sugar, and aid digestion. Add them to soups, salads, or make a hearty lentil stew. The options are endless and delicious. 3. Eggs. One of nature's most complete foods. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. What makes eggs so special? Rich in vitamin D, which supports bone and muscle strength. Contain choline and B12 for nerve health and energy. Loaded with leucine, an amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. And yes, they're incredibly affordable. Have them boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelet. 4. Lean meats. Skinless chicken, pork loin, beef tenderloin, or chuck roast. Lean cuts are rich in complete proteins, iron for oxygen transport, zinc and vitamin B12 for cellular repair and nerve health. These nutrients are especially important in preventing anemia, fatigue, and muscle wasting in older adults. 5. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, collards. These greens aren't just good for your bones, they're muscle fuel. Spinach, for example, is rich in nitrates, which enhance blood flow to muscles, improving oxygen delivery and endurance. They're also packed with folate for brain function, magnesium for muscle relaxation, antioxidants to reduce oxidative stress. Best of all, They're low in calories and can be eaten in large portions without weight gain. 6. Milk and dairy products. Did you know that milk and its derivatives, like yogurt and cheese, are among the most nutrient-rich foods you can include in your diet? Often misunderstood, milk is sometimes labeled a villain due to concerns about fat content or industrial processing. But in reality, when chosen wisely, milk can be one of your greatest allies for maintaining strong bones and healthy muscles as you age. Milk is a natural powerhouse of high-quality protein, calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, all vital nutrients that support muscle maintenance and prevent bone-related conditions like osteoporosis. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, and calcium absorption becomes less efficient. Including a serving of natural yogurt, low-fat cheese, or a glass of milk, whether whole or skim depending on your dietary needs, can help compensate for this loss. If you're watching your cholesterol or fat intake, go for skim or low-fat milk. But if your lipid levels are under control, there's no harm in enjoying a glass of whole milk. The key is moderation and choosing minimally processed dairy options that retain their natural nutrients. 7. Nuts and seeds. Tiny but mighty, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds are nutrition-packed superfoods. They are excellent sources of vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein. These nutrients help reduce inflammation in the body, protect muscle tissue from oxidative stress, and improve immune function. For postmenopausal women, the benefits of vitamin E are especially valuable. It can help reduce hot flashes, improve skin health, balance mood, and protect cardiovascular health by preventing oxidative damage to arteries. Adding a handful of nuts to your breakfast or a spoonful of seeds to your smoothie can go a long way toward preserving your strength and well-being. 8. Quinoa. This ancient grain is often referred to as a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids, a rare trait in plant-based foods. Quinoa is also high in fiber, magnesium, iron, zinc, and potassium, making it a wonderful muscle-supporting ingredient for seniors. Adding quinoa to your daily meals, like salads, soups, or side dishes, not only enhances flavor but also boosts muscle recovery, supports energy production, and helps with metabolism regulation. It's also gluten-free, making it ideal for those with dietary sensitivities. 9. Avocado. Creamy, satisfying, and incredibly nourishing, avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. These good fats are essential for muscle recovery, reducing inflammation, and providing long-lasting energy, especially when consumed before physical activity. The potassium in avocados also helps prevent muscle cramps and improves electrolyte balance, which is critical for maintaining strength and hydration. Try adding sliced avocado to your morning toast, salad, or even blending it into a smoothie for a nutritious energy boost. 10. Tofu. Looking for a great plant-based protein that supports both muscle and bone health? Tofu is a fantastic option. Made from soybeans, tofu is rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and high-quality plant protein. Tofu helps prevent sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, and osteopenia, loss of bone density. Including tofu in your meals is a smart choice for seniors who may be reducing meat consumption or following a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle. Whether stir-fried, grilled, or added to soups, tofu can easily be incorporated into a variety of delicious dishes. These 10 foods are more than just delicious. They are nutritional tools that can help you stay active, strong, and independent well into your senior years. However, it's important to understand that nutrition alone isn't enough. Pairing a balanced diet with regular physical activity, such as walking, strength training, or yoga, can dramatically enhance your muscle strength, balance, and coordination. Even a short daily walk can make a big difference. As muscles weaken, the risk of falls increases, potentially leading to serious injuries like fractures or hospitalizations. Muscle loss can also reduce your body's ability to regulate blood sugar, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes, and it can even compromise your immune system, making it harder to fight infections. That's why addressing muscle weakness is about more than just comfort. It's about protecting your overall health, independence, and quality of life. Do you already eat any of these foods regularly? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments. And don't forget to check out the 2 videos we selected just for you. they're packed with even more helpful tips for healthy aging. Like this video, subscribe, and let's stay strong and healthy together.